out to a job site. It's supposed to be like really tall poison ivy. I don't think it's actually poison ivy, but I offer to do it. So we're gonna see what it is and what the girls can actually get done. So when I got to that job site, there were a lot of things going on. Over on the one side, they were chopping down a tree and hauling it over to a wood chipper. There were men that were doing the poison ivy off of the side of the barn, and you could see that, I mean, that went really, really tall. There was a lot of stuff going on. The apple tree was directly behind the wood chipper, and the wood chipper, before I left, it was actually running. So right next to where the goats were going to be set up, there would be a lot of noise, a lot of commotion. So I made the decision to not have my goats stay there because it would be really stressful on them with all that stuff going on. You know, when they go to a job site, I drop them off, and I need to be able to leave and know that they feel safe and secure and comfortable, and I can't guarantee that with so much commotion that they're not used to happening right next to them. So we headed off to a different site. We're working on cleaning up knotweed that is in a garden. This is our second day doing that project, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna show you what that looks like in the setup. So it looks like I kind of set it up for a little maze, but I have way more fence than the yard allows, so that's why. Yesterday they went through and they got a bunch of the weeds. They basically weeded the whole garden. And today they're gonna finish up eating this stuff. This is Japanese knotweed. It is the second most invasive plant in the world. The goats are gonna eat this up, and then this job should be done. So this is not the original job that we had planned for today, but it's the job that we're doing. So I don't even know if this is a whole day's worth of work. They might have a half a day of work here. So this was the area yesterday, the same area that they're going to be working on today. They have to finish up eating the knotweeds, but they basically weeded the entire garden around all of the trees, and today they'll be finishing it up. So stay tuned. I will post a short to show you what it looks like all finished. So that's today's job, and stay tuned. Because our next job is another knotweed project, and it's even bigger. We're in the middle of it, and it's a huge, basically a knotweed forest. And if you want to know more about knotweed, leave a comment below. I'll make a video telling you about it. It's really nasty stuff, but at least it's not like poison ivy. You're not going to break out in rashes. It's just really hard to get rid of. All right, I'll see you guys later.